In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use slide basics in PowerPoint step by step. If you're new to PowerPoint or just want to understand the fundamentals of creating and editing slides, inserting pictures, adding audio, and organizing your presentation, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple and practical way. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation file. Go to your presentation.ptx file and open it. Once the file loads, you'll see your main slide workspace in the center, the slide thumbnails on the left, and the ribbon menu at the top. This is your main control area, where you'll insert and edit content. To start adding content, click on the Insert tab in the top ribbon. The Insert tab allows you to add pictures, audio, shapes, text boxes, and many other elements to your slide. Since we're focusing on slide basics, let's begin by adding an image. After clicking Insert, select Pictures. You'll see different options depending on your version of PowerPoint. Choose This Device if your image is saved on your computer. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the image you want, and click Insert. Once the image appears on your slide, you can click and drag it to move it anywhere on the slide. Simply hold down your mouse button and position it where it looks best. This is useful for organizing your layout and making your slide visually balanced. To resize the image, click on one of the corner handles and drag inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. Always use the corner handles instead of the side handles if you want to maintain the image proportions and avoid distortion. Adjust it until it fits your slide design properly. Now let's add audio to your slide. Go back to the Insert tab again. Click on Audio in the ribbon menu. You can choose to insert audio from your device. Select your audio file and click Insert. Once added, you'll see an audio icon on your slide. You can move it just like you move the image. You can also adjust playback settings from the Playback tab, such as setting it to start automatically or when clicked. Next, let's add a new slide to your presentation. On the left-hand side where you see your slide thumbnails, click on New Slide in the Home tab. A new slide will appear below your current one. You can choose a layout that fits your content, such as title and content, title only, or blank. This helps you structure your presentation in a clean and professional way. Using these basic tools, opening your presentation, inserting images, resizing and positioning elements, adding audio, and creating new slides, you can build a complete and engaging PowerPoint presentation. These are the core skills that every beginner should know, and once you're comfortable with them, you can move on to animations, transitions, and more advanced design features. That's it for this tutorial on how to use slide basics in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.